Baba Raila Molo Odinga manager Komaro Maduong. The governor of Masiaya, our party chairman John Mbadi, the leader of the Roots Party, Mheshimiwa Wajakoya, and all protocol observed. Yenauru awachi wecharia deki kisungu kendi. To aya duga tigidolu. Daki kadeki kendi. Let me start by saying congratulations to the county government of Siaya in partnership with Platform Connect of Madam Tabitha for this wonderful agri-business show. This is a demonstration of what private-public partnership can achieve. And indeed, is something that we must all commend as the way forward. This kind of partnerships is what will take us far as a people. As you know, agriculture is fully devolved. Agriculture is fully devolved as a function. Even though we continue to struggle to have money released from the national treasury to come down here. A lot of money is still being held up at the national government level. And in our constitution, the national government, as insofar as agriculture is concerned, is only left with one small function, which is agricultural policy. And yet the contradiction is that a lot more money is still being held up in Nairobi, with very little coming down here. So this occasion is also an opportunity for us to remind whoever is concerned that for us to realize the full benefits of devolution, all monies that are earmarked for devolved functions must come down here. I've just had a word with Commissioner Jalango Midiwo, Commissioner at the Commission for Revenue Allocation. And he has confirmed to me that there is still a struggle at the CRA about monies coming down here. In this financial year that we are entering into, 2024-2025, the Commission for Revenue Allocation has still insisted that they are only going to release a paltry 396 billion shillings to counties. That is just about 9 billion or 10 billion shillings over and above what they released last financial year, which was 385 billion. That means that they have not been able even to factor the matter of inflation. And that is also a demonstration of the fact that if that formula is applied and upheld by the Senate, the counties are going to suffer more and more. I still believe that the Senate can alter that formula and increase that allocation to the counties from 396 to something close to the 450 billion shillings that our Council of Governors are demanding. Mogi ke wach mar agriculture. Adamonda wach ni Governor Orengo. This is, I think, the third thing I have seen under your leadership, which we must commend. Earlier on, I had noticed that your government is doing extremely well in terms of community health workers, which is a plus. Samoro turwakaji mokdi woto kone ok maoko. Ok nyal ngeyo tich maber ma osetim sia kaendi wach mar community health workers. Nyamrerwa okamano. Governor Orengo and his team have done very, very well. The second thing I have noted, but the second thing I have noted, which is positive down here, and Washmar ECD teachers. Your government has done very well in terms of employing these teachers on permanent and pensionable terms. Okupa men governor. Okawinji kajo giwacho gigi, jo county gi. Koro alok rao ja poro niki. Gigo tamo gi. That is commendable. Now this agriculture bit It's the third issue I have noted. So you must commend them. Baba, kawuono weche mang'eny onge. Yande ung'eyo nine wanetwa kod joka Kenya Kwanza. We were involved in constructive dialogue between Azimio and Kenya Kwanza under the NADCO framework. We are pleased that both houses of parliament have approved the NADCO report unanimously. This week, we have now embarked on the main journey for the implementation of the NADCO report. We want to remain extremely vigilant as we embark on a journey to process the legislative instruments that will give life to the NADCO report. There are various amendments to the Constitution, and equally we have got a number of amendments to statute law. We expect that those amendments and legislative proposals will be fast-tracked so that come next month or thereabout, the matter of NADCO and its implementation is a done deal. We do not want any form of prevarication. Mogi, na winjo kajo koma party uweyo kaendi. Olo kando uweyo kaendi, toniko shola bocha ko uweyo. Mano msimamo mamarwa. Wansia kaendi baba. Wangeyo mana one party. Ma NOD. Wansia kaendi go party wa en mana chiel kende. And we have got only one leader. Ma Raila Amolo. Gigimokariyogo. ODM. Togi Raila Amolo Odinga. Mage mwange siya kaendi. And I believe that is the case in other counties as well. Koro karwa kaendi okwado aje matiko hitwa gweche manon. Kendo game kaendi. I am very happy kawuono kabiro ka. Kana oksidindi. Game kaendi okene ma ODM koro kendo timenewa moloka mora mora. Okupa menjo game. Under the able leadership of Nico Chola and his team. Thank you very much, Nick and your team. One bang throughout. Kendo ngato kachando to uluongoa. We shall deal with them appropriately. Okamano. Ntinya komoro kaendi mowok madagoreti. Nora Bosibori. Sudu komoro jogo nini. Manya ODM. Omano yako marumbunge kuchu. Just wave. Dagoretti North. ODM ni en kamora mora. En Nairobi, en Ukambani, en Pinyo Kuyu, en kamora mora. Koro baba ero kamana inya for taking your time to be with us, Josiah, and also taking your time to grace this wonderful exhibition. Co-hosted by the county government of Siaya and Platform Connect. Koro gimatini go katamang'eny go yena uru. Munda luong jako mar party. Kapo ka luongo wajako ya kech en leader mar Roots Party. Karibu sana Mheshimiwa John Mbadi. Karibu sana.
Ne Baba, Your Excellency Baba Raila Amolo Odinga, Majatendo, the People's President, ne Governor Masiaya, Mawabiro Wendo Kawuono, Jim Engo, ne Roots Party Leader Wajakoya, Minority Leader Opiyo Wandayi me National Assembly, mabende kawane bunge ten jatenda kwa wuok oke party to an jatende, MP Masiaya Christine Ombaka, Speaker, the members of County Assembly te, togi welo mamoko, nyako matin, mutiyo matek marloso budoni, Madam Tabitha, jalango midiyo inbane ni kanyo, in nyaka na luong nikech tabu ma wantie go sani ni wane mwakelo kendwa